Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video it will show you how to withdraw money from your 1x bet.
So you want to withdraw your 1x bet. So here's how to do it. You want to simply go on to your 1x bet account and log in with your credentials using your email or ID and your password. After that is that you want to go in to your account section right here in the upper right. Go on, click on that, and if you're already right here, then you want to navigate and go click on the withdraw funds. From there, it will show you this one or this site right here, which you will choose a payment method. So you want to type in what method you want to prefer. So if you want Visa method, then here's how to do it. Just type in the amount that you want to withdraw and type in your card number and select confirm. But if you want to use other accounts, then the process will go same way as this. And that is all.